Hi, this is Alice from SIB Visions with an overview of how you can change a field's color based on the value it contains. I will again use the Styled Invoice application that you can download from the Solution Store. I will first open the invoice screen in design mode. I then click on one of the data elements on the screen. It could be one of the tables or one of the editors. I click on the pencil icon and scroll down to see the available action trigger events. One of them is named Create After Row Selected. This action is called when I select a row on the table, for example, one of the invoices on my list here. So let's define the action we want to apply when the row is selected. In this case, I want to apply color to a field based on the total value of the invoice in that row. If the invoice total is greater than 1,000, I want the color to be applied. To do this, I add a condition from the statements and choose Is Greater or Equal from the drop-down. I then select Invoice Total from the parameters and enter 1,000 as the amount. I then select Set Background Color from the drop-down, pick the element for which I want to change the color, and pick a color from the color editor. I'm going to choose green. Now, that's for invoices over 1,000. I also need to define what happens if the amount is less than that. To do that, I select Set Background Color under the Else condition and then select the same element. Here, I just leave the color as it is, which means it will go back to the default color. I then click Finish and run the application to test it. Let's take a look. When I select the third invoice, the customer field turns green because the invoice total is 5,000. The first invoice is for 500, so it's not colored green. And the second invoice is 1,500, so again, the customer field turns green. That's how you change colors based on data. Thanks so much for watching.